Okay, so this is a great tool to identify where you were before the car crash in relation to pain and sleep, and where you are after. This is a great tool for developing the goals that make it clear for treatment and progress, and really helpful for seeing when we reach that goal. Definitely the insurance companies like that. So I'm going to remember back 1997 car crash that I was in. I pretend that just happened. So quality of sleep before the car crash, 10. Quality of sleep after the car crash, 5. So a good 50% reduction there. Number of days pain in the last week, I'm going to put all. You could also call it 7. Average pain intensity, where was I at? It was probably, let's see, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I was probably maintaining like a 7. It was just really energy draining. Yeah, and what did I use to interrupt the pain? Sleep. Rest. Not working. And then we can look here. So this would be like, say this was the first day after the crash and I just started. It could also be a week after, a month after, and I'm just starting treatment. So I could just call today, whatever that is, day 1. And I could date it. 6/25/2020. Pain low intensity. So there are definitely moments where it's a 1. Highest intensity, I just did a thing earlier here and it was showing a 5. Average intensity, so 2. So I noticed jaw, ankle. So intensity at which I started, how I intervened. Intensity at which I caught it. Could call it a 2. Intervened. Movement. And I could rank my sleep. So the time that pain lasted, can do, say, notice it lasted half the day or 4 hours, let's say. And then, rank sleep last night. How was sleep? The last 2 nights, it was not good. I usually sleep really well. And we'll call it a 3. So this is a really good time tracker over the days, and just it's a really good check-in. Say, how's your recovery going? How's the progress? Excellent tool.